Reviving Memories, a journey through the past. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. The phrase, to revive memories. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring the depths of your native tongue, understanding this phrase can enrich your communication. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover the beauty and depth of reviving memories. To revive memories means to bring back thoughts, feelings, or experiences from the past into your current consciousness. It's like opening a book of your life and rereading the chapters that made you smile, cry, or dream. When we revive memories, we breathe life into moments that have passed, making them vivid and real once again in our minds. Memories play a crucial role in our lives. They shape our identity, guide our decisions, and influence our emotions. Reviving memories is not just about reminiscing. It's a powerful tool for connecting with our past, understanding who we are, and sometimes, finding closure or joy in what once was. Whether it's through looking at old photos, visiting a childhood home, or sharing stories with friends and family, reviving memories can be a deeply emotional and fulfilling experience. Let's explore how to incorporate to revive memories into your communication. Here are a few examples. Seeing my old school again revived memories of the days I used to play on the playground with my friends. Listening to our favorite song on the radio revived memories of our road trip last summer. The aroma of freshly baked cookies revived memories of baking with my grandmother in her kitchen. Notice how each sentence transports us to a different time and place, highlighting the emotional impact of the memories being revived. Reviving memories is more than just a nostalgic trip down memory lane. It serves several important functions in our lives. Emotional healing. Revisiting positive memories can provide comfort and happiness, while confronting painful ones can lead to healing and growth. Preserving history. By reviving memories, we keep the stories of the past alive for future generations, ensuring that lessons learned are not forgotten. Strengthening relationships. Sharing memories can deepen bonds with others, creating a shared sense of history and belonging. Understanding the significance of this phrase helps us appreciate the moments that have shaped us and the power of our own stories. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of to revive memories. I hope this video has not only enhanced your understanding of the phrase but also inspired you to revisit and cherish your own memories. Remember, each memory we revive is a thread that connects us to our past, enriches our present, and influences our future. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language and the stories that make us who we are.